70 million years old dinosaurs. 70 million years old dinosaur fossil found in US vanished 66 million years ago. Can they be brought back to life like Jurassic Park? Hello guys, today we will talk about dinosaurs, fossils, and his life, how they live in millions of years ago. Dinosaurs are making headlines this week. Was but tweet. A fossil bone was discovered beneath a Denver museum own parking lot, and Jurassic World Rebirth has stomped into cinemas, reigniting an obsession with the prehistoric giants, like a big giants. As excitement soars, we ask how much of what we know or think we know. How much of what we know, think we know about dinosaurs is actually true, and or it's just imagination. We don't know. Did they roar like beasts? Could they ever be resurrected? And did they once roam the land we now call India? Let's dig deeper. Let's know deeper. So, did dinosaurs really looks like the world? Jurassic Park's big, taller? No, many dinosaurs depictions in Jurassic Park are outdated in exaggerated for drama. Velociraptors were actually the size of turkeys, not human height killers. They had features confirmed by fossil evidence and explained by PMS, EONS, and US organization broadcasting educational programs. T-Rex may not have roared like in the film, according to the American Museum of Natural History (AMNH). It likely made deep rumbles or low frequency sounds, as per published work of Kent Stevens, University of Oregon's paleontologist. T-Rex had binocular visions and depth perceptions. However, no direct evidence of T-Rex populations exists. Dinosaurs did not drag their tails. Fossil studies show they held them aloft for balance. Science now paints a more accurate pictures. Dinosaurs were often bird-like, feathered and more diverse than shown on screens and photos. You see more photos in dinosaur movies. Were all dinosaurs giant monsters? So this is a big question. Not all, not at all. Some, but not at all. Dinosaurs came in a wide range of sizes, and from tiny bird-like creatures of massive sauropods, and they all dinosaurs are not a non-veg. Some dinosaurs eat only veg, like fruits and trees. Some were smaller than a house cat, like a Microraptor and Compsognathus. Velociraptors, often shown as a man-sized, were actually just about 2 feet tall. Only a few species like Argentinosaurus or Patagotitan grew and to truly gigantic sizes over 30 meters long. According to the Natural History Museum, London, their size was likely an evolutionary advantage for survival, digestion, and defense. Many dinosaurs had bird-like bones, allowing even large ones to stay lightweight and agile. As per American Museum of Natural History, dinosaurs filled every ecological niche, from teeny fast runners to massive long-necked grazers. So no, most dinosaurs were not monsters but part of complex and balanced prehistoric ecosystems. Ecosystem. And how did dinosaurs go extinct? And is the asteroid theory the full story? Is this real or not? So there are many theories to end the dinosaurs era. The most widely accepted theory is that a massive asteroid struck Earth near today's Yucatan Peninsula around 66 million years ago. This caused giant wildfires, blocked sunlight with dust clouds, and triggered a global climate collapse, wiping out nearly 75% of all species. Means all dinosaurs that time, all species are dead. But that's not the full story. Scientists also point the Deccan traps, massive volcano eruptions, and in what is now India, which released hug amount of carbon dioxide and sulfur. These eruptions begin before the asteroid and may have weakened ecosystems, making dinosaurs more vulnerable. vulnerable. The Smithsonian and Natural History Museum UK suggest that a combination of asteroid impact and long-term volcanism led to rapid environmental changes. The extinction mainly affected non-aware dinosaurs. Some species like birds survived and evolved. So yes, the asteroid was the final blow, but Earth was already under stress from volcanoes, climate shifts, and ecological disruptions. From robots to roars, the untold story of how Jurassic Park made dinosaurs feel real. So, how Jurassic Park brought dinosaurs to life to Spielberg visions. To Stephen Spielberg wanted dinosaurs to look real, majestic, scary, alive. The film blended animatronics, CGI, and science to achieve it. So the most important role in play is science, animatronics, and gadgets, AI, and computer work mainly. Stan Winston animatronics. Life seized models like the 20-foot T-Rex were built using hydraulics and robotics. These were used in close-up scans of realism. Phil Tippett's stop motion touch. So original planned as stop motion, Tippett stayed on to sorograph life lifelike dinosaurs movement using animal reference study. Are birds today just tiny flying dinosaurs? This is the good question. Yes, birds are literally living dinosaurs, descended from a small feather theropods like Velociraptor, according to the Natural History Museum UK. Fossil evidence like Archaeopteryx and Microraptor shows clear links between birds and dinosaurs' fathers. Features: hollow bones, wishbones, and three-toed limbs. Limbs. As BirdLife International puts it, birds did not just evolve from dinosaurs; they are dinosaurs genetically and automatically. It's natural. Some traits we associate with birds, such as breaks brooding behavior, first appeared in non-avian dinosaurs. Like the you can see, like most of movies like Avatar, imagination of pupils. Scientific American explains that dinosaurs gradually shrank in size over billions of years with evolving features like wings and rapid and they can fly growth rates helping them survive. These evolutionary changes gave rise to birds, the only dinosaurs lineage to survive the mass extinction. So when you see a crow, parrot or eagle, you are looking at a modern day raptor, flying proof that not all dinosaurs went extinct when dinosaurs ruled the earth. And how it all ended. So, an era by era look at how dinosaurs rose, thrived, and disappeared. How to grow, how to start, this is all, and how to end dinosaurs era. Through period, Triassic, Triassic period 252 to 201 million years ago. So the age when dinosaurs first appeared, Earth was hot, dry, and dominated by a single supercontinent, Pangaea. Early small two-legged dinosaurs like Araptor began to evolve. And second Jurassic period 201 to 145 million years ago. So dinosaurs grow larger and more diverse, some non-veg, some veg. Iconic species such as Stegosaurus, Apatosaurus, and Allosaurus thrived. The first bird-like dinosaurs, Archaeopteryx, emerged, and the Pangaea started to break apart into separate landmasses. Third 145 to 66 million years ago and Cretaceous period. This period says Cretaceous period. Dinosaurs reached their evolutionary peak. They are in top. Famous species include Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and Velociraptor. So this is all. And flowering plants appeared for the first time. First time in trees have a plants and flowers have a trees. Ends with one of Earth's most dramatic mass extinctions. And extinction event 66 million years ago. Some people say 70 million years ago. A massive asteroid impact along with intense volcano activity triggered climate collapse. Then around 75% years of all species were wiped out. Some species are burned, some species are dead. Non-avian dinosaurs vanished but birds survived, the only living dinosaurs today. So this is how dinosaurs era end. So did dinosaur ever live in India? So yes, India was once a dinosaur hotspot, home to a wide varieties of species over millions of years to by science. According to science, according to the Natural History Museum, UK fossil of at least 15 distinct dinosaur species have been found in India. The most famous is the Rajsaurus. Most famous species in India: Rhasaurus nurmadensis, a horned carnivore discovered in Gujarat whose name means king lizard of the Narmada. Thousands of dinosaur eggs and fossilized nests have been uncovered in Gujarat Balasinaur, making it one of the largest hatcheries in the world. Dinosaurs like Isisaurus, Barapasaurus, and Jubulpuria also roamed the region across Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. A 2023 report by the New York Times highlights a recent forest discovery near Bhopal, a 167 million year old specimen that may belong to a new species. And this news never seen by Indian news, because Indian news always have a religion news first, not scientific news. India's fossil wealth remained underexplored due to lack of awareness, poor preservedness, and mining. But recent scientific efforts are bringing these prehistoric treasures to light. So yes, long before the Himalayas rose, India was teeming with dinosaurs, from towering herbivores to fierce predators and nesting colonies. Can dinosaurs ever be brought back to life like in the movies? So this is a tough question, but it's we can't say yes and we can't say no, because science have exist and science can do everything. But now this is answer is no. Real dinosaurs cannot be resurrected as shown in Jurassic Park, like movies Jurassic Park. As the Natural History Museum UK explains, dinosaur DNA degraded after death and cannot survive beyond about 1 million years, while dinosaur dead in 66 million. So um, many time are gone. 1 million years ago we can do something, but 66 million ago, matlab, that they have DNAs, but have him DNAs. The dinosaurs DNAs is not valuable for us. We can't make them. Even amber preserved fossil don't contain any usable DNA, despite that movie suggested. Some scientists have explored modifying bird embryos since birds are living dinosaurs, but the Smithsonian warns these chicken experiments are ethically complex and scientifically limited. Complex. It's complex but scientifically limited. You can understand. As deep for university notes, even if fragments of DNA existed, we could not recreate the full physiology, behavior, or ecosystem needed for dinosaurs to survive. This is all of many complex questions, because is a species who rule the world, who rule the earth, and now it's ended. So thank you so much watching my video. We will meet next video. Thank you so much.